Hi, my name is LaShonda Brown. I'm a tech educator, YouTube coach, and speaker based in the beautiful Blue Ridge Mountains of Virginia. And welcome to my Buy Me a Coffee page. If this is your first time here and you enjoy the experience, I would encourage you to use my link, lashondaBrown.com/buymeacoffee, to create a free account today. Buy Me a Coffee began in 2017 with a very simple goal: to remove all of the complexities of receiving support from fans online. The platform was founded by creators who lived on a moderate advertising income from their creative gigs. They found that the advertising model and the algorithms had become too unreliable to pay creators what they were worth. So they built a site that allowed creators to have a more direct relationship with their audience. Buy Me a Coffee gives fans a meaningful way to express gratitude to creators, and it also helps creators easily facilitate exclusive content, community access, and in my case, memberships absolutely free. I have 3 ways that you can engage with my Buy Me a Coffee page. The first option is a coffee donation. You can use 1, 3, 5, or type in a quantity of your own, and each cup represents $5 delivered to my account via Stripe on the back end. Most people also leave a message of encouragement when they donate, and it has really been a blessing to me. So if you decide to buy me a coffee, please share how my content helped you in your business journey. The second way that you can use my page is becoming a Star Student. Star Student is a subscription to my monthly workshops, and it ensures that you have a seat in every workshop regardless of whether or not it sells out. I limit the tickets to my workshops to ensure that my students get their questions answered. But Star Students are reserved before I open public sales. You also get access to all of the past replays of my workshops so you never miss the content. Some previous workshop topics include rates and media kits, AI, preparing for your first YouTube video, how to set up a shop on PayHip, using ManyChat to increase your engagement and leads on Instagram, and so much more. As soon as you sign up, you will get access to those replays via the post tabs on Buy Me a Coffee. All you have to do is sign up and then log in using the email address that you used during checkout. The last way you can use my Buy Me a Coffee page is becoming a Bootstrap Creator. This community is so vibrant and fun and is full of service providers who are looking to increase traffic to their offers, generate passive income, and partner with brands. Each month, I bring in a brand partner of mine to share about their affiliate program and whatever else they have up their sleeve in the coming months. I help creators know what to look for with incoming brand pitches by literally sharing some of my recent emails from brands. And then we hop into a time of education about some aspect of YouTube. What I love about hosting my calls on StreamYard is I'm able to engage with my members in the chat and pop their comments on screen. And I can also literally bring them on the stage for a live Q&A at the end of our calls. Members also receive a custom YouTube calendar template to help ensure that their channel helps them reach their financial goals. I also provide accountability for my members, and I celebrate their wins along the way. After testing various configurations of coaching, this is the easiest way for me to help the most people. If you want to learn more about my membership, you can visit lashondaBrown.com/membership for more information. Buy Me a Coffee is incredible, and I plan to make more tutorials in the future about how you can leverage it to add another income stream to your creator business model. If you found this content useful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and drop any Buy Me a Coffee questions in the comments so I can address them in future content. Until next time, ta-ta for now.